Here's a baby monkey enjoying a relaxing bath. It's all wet and fluffy, and you can tell it's not quite sure what's happening, but it's loving every second of it. The caretaker is being so gentle, helping the little one get all clean. Watch how the baby monkey's so enjoyable. It's such a sweet moment. Even baby monkeys need a good bath to feel fresh and cozy. So cute, right? Look at how the baby monkey curiously feels the water with its tiny hands, trying to make sense of it. It's just like any other baby exploring new things and enjoying a fun bath time. The water is splashing everywhere, but the little one doesn't mind at all. You can see how calm and peaceful it is, all while getting a good scrub. This is a moment of pure innocence and joy.